Hi everyone, I am Kelly Schaffner. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a Natalie Attired box to share with you. If you are new to my channel, or if where it says subscribe down there, if that is red, if you just tap it and turn it black, you will be subscribed to my channel. And I would love for you to join us here. If you tap the bell, you will be notified every single time I upload a video, which is about every other day. I try to put up something about clothing, so if you enjoy those types of videos, you're in the right place. And let me tell you just a little bit about Natalie Attired. It is a style subscription service. There is a $20 styling fee, that is monthly. I choose to have my box come monthly, so they charge me $20, and a stylist puts together a box of 5 items based on my style quiz that I have filled out. And it's mostly clothing in here. Sometimes they send accessories. I have received jewelry from Natalie Attired, but they ship this to me once a month. I get to try it on in my home. I have 3 days to decide what I want to keep, what I want to return, and postage is free both ways. And I love Natalie Attired. They send some very unique pieces that I have never seen in my other boxes, and I have collected quite a few pieces from them. So if you would like more information about Natalie Attired, or if you would like to try it for yourself, I will leave all of the information in the description box below, and that is my referral link too. So if you decide to use it, I really appreciate using my link. And thank you to all of you that have used my link. You know what that means? It means I have some free clothes, which are the best kind of clothes. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. This is what the box looks like. And you know what? Before we get started, can I ask a great big favor? I had such a rough day at work today. In fact, I even considered whether I should put filming off until tomorrow because, my blood pressure went up today at work. I need a thumbs up. Could you give me a thumbs up? Before you see the clothing, before you see the try on, before you see anything, could you just help me out and give me a thumbs up? I know, I'm begging. That sounds terrible. Anyway, it just always makes me feel good to know that you enjoy my videos. So if you do, please give me a thumbs up. Let's look at the money. I have my mailer bag, and we have price sheet, which I don't like it at all, but I will look at it before the end of the video. Then we have a style card here. Hi Kelly, I hope you love your summer collection. The ghillie top looks super cute with the kimono and short. Enjoy, Annie. So that's always a nice touch included in Natalie Attired. And I have received 2 kimonos from Natalie Attired, and I'm just really not much of a kimono girl. So let's see if, first up is the kimono. This is the kimono. This is by Do Everything in Love. Okay, because the last one I purchased is by Do Everything in Love, and I just like the title. I like that brand. So this, I'm not really liking this just off the bat. It's striped. It is navy and white striped with those big flowers, and it's open, and I'm gonna try this on for you, but right off the bat, it's not doing much for me. It's a really long kimono too. Next up, we have a very pretty color. This is by Gilly, so I guess this is the top that she wants me to wear with it. I like this color top. Isn't that pretty? Bright pink. We do have, it's got that bubble, it's got that little detail in the front, which I always like those. So this looks nice, and it is a little bit longer in the back, which I appreciate. This top is by Skies Are Blue. Oh, isn't this cute? It's pineapples. Oh my gosh, I really need this. I don't know why, but I just like it. This just screams summer to me. So it's just a V-neck. It's got buttons. I don't know if they're functional. Yeah, I think they are functional. There's a few buttons there, like a Henley, and a little detail right there. So this looks great. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, okay. I thought they were white denims. These are white shorts. These are by Nina Rossi, and so they look thin. I can see through them, and I have some white shorts. I just received some white shorts by Dear John a couple months back from my Stitch Fix, and they're awesome. So I don't know that I need to, especially not anything that's see-through, but there is a little stretch in these, so I will try them on. And you know, if they work, I guess 2 pairs of white shorts isn't a bad thing to have. Ooh, this looks really nice. Oh, it's a dress, super cool. Okay, this is a chambray dress, and it looks plenty long. That's good news. Oh, it's a high-low. It is longer in the back, and it's a Henley. There's a few buttons there. There's a pocket there. This looks marvelous, and it feels excellent. This, oh, please, please, please be a winner. This looks fabulous. This is how my stylist asked me to put this outfit together. The Do Everything in Love kimono, the ghillie top, and the Nina Rossi short. Kimono feels very bathrobe-ish to me. Just the shape of it and the length of it, even the weight of it. It's a little bit heavier than a normal kimono. I say normal, and the ones that I have. The ones I own are very lightweight, and this is what it looks like. I think I just can't get on the kimono train. It's as cute as they are on other people. I think they take away any shape that I might possibly have. I'm never ever comfortable in it, and I've bought a couple. Both of the ones I bought I purchased from Natalie Attired, but yeah, this one's not wowing me. Now, I love this ghillie top, but let's talk about the shorts first. So these Nina Rossi shorts are tight. They're thin, and they just don't feel like they're the quality that I've become accustomed to. Let's just put it that way. The zipper is, it feels like just a low quality zipper, like it will eventually break or get stuck. It doesn't slide easily, and the fabric's very thin, but can you see this action I have here? The lining and the fabric only goes so far, and if just by putting your hand in your pocket, you can see that lining. And it could be because the pants are pulling a bit, but I have plenty of room in these pants. I really can't imagine sizing up to a larger size. I think that this is just a really thin fabric, but boy, all the imperfections you can see. The fabric is so thin that you can see, and that makes me uncomfortable. And I kind of wanted to like these because I love my other white Dear John shorts, and I thought 2 white shorts would be awesome because I'm wearing it a lot this summer. But okay, enough about the shorts. You want to see the back? I'm going to do it fast. I'm going to do it fast. Oh, okay. Let's move on to this great ghillie top. It is a real wrap, and I can touch myself in there, but nothing is exposed, and I love a V-neck, and yet it is not exposing anything. It's pretty modest, but yet it's a real V. It fits in the arms. You're not seeing my bra through there, and it's a little bit longer in the back. Okay, there's another back view. Anyway, I think it's the color. I really like the color. I love t-shirts that have a little detail, something a little bit special on them, so this ghillie top is a winner for me. I've got my pineapples on, so this is the Skies Are Blue. We'll call it the pineapple top. So it has a nice V-neck, and the top is perfect to wear with a regular bra. Yay, that's a big plus. Can you see these buttons? We have that button detail and the little pleat there, which adds a little bit of interest to the front. Fits in the arms, and this is what it looks like. So, yay, I think this one is a winner for sure. What do you think about the pineapple top? I love that it's got so much green in it too. This feels very, very summertime to me. I was so excited about opening this dress that I failed to tell you. This is by the brand Tribal, and this dress feels wonderful. There's plenty of room. It feels very soft, and again, it's the Henley style. It buttons up, and it's got this silver, feels like metal buttons, so that's cute. I like that the V-neck is kind of created there, and you can wear a regular bra. Again, there's this pocket. So you see it, I see it. How much effort would it have taken to actually line the stripes up? And you know what? I don't really like everything to match. That is not my style at all, but this is so incredibly noticeable to me, which is strange because, like I said, I like things to be a little off-kilter. This is the front. You see that length in the back? I'll show you. It is quite a bit longer in the back. I mean, that is a high-low, and there is no graduating in that. There's no gradual high-low. It just is short in the front and long in the back, and I don't know how I feel about that. So you have seen it. Please let me know your thoughts on this dress and the hemline of this dress, because it's just kind of throwing me off a little bit. I wasn't expecting it to be so much longer. In the back, I don't know if it's a good look for me. Please let me know. With Natalie Attired, if you keep the entire box, you get a 20% discount. So that is a wonderful gesture, but unfortunately, I'm not going to get that discount this time because it's not a 5 for 5. This kimono has to go back. This is $48, and I just have to be honest with myself. I'm not going to wear it. So even though it's lovely for someone else, it's not my thing. But next up, this is my thing. This ghillie top is only $39, and I think that's a fabulous price for a blouse that I look forward to wearing. Next up is this really, really cute pineapple top. You guys like this one? I love this one. And I think this is going to be a great summer top, $39. It's all mine. Then we have the Nina Rossi shorts. And these shorts just were not a good fit for me, but these are only $36. And I wish they had fit, because this is the smallest price tag on a pair of shorts that I've ever received. Dare I say, these are the cheapest shorts I've ever received in a style box, but the quality feels like that as well. So I don't know. If you're interested in a very affordable pair of white shorts, Natalie Attired has them, and they probably work on somebody that's just not as hippie and with big chubby legs like I have, but they don't work for me. But the last thing is the Tribal dress, which I like, but it's just different. And this dress is $69, and I think that is a great price for this dress. I just don't know if it's too funky for me. Tell me it's not funky at all. It's all my head is funky. Maybe that's what it is. So I am going to keep the two tops. The dress, I am going to wait for your opinions. I want to hear your feedback on this dress and help me decide. So the grand total of this box is $231. If I was to buy everything, it would be $168.80. So that's a fabulous price for 5 items of clothing. I'm just not able to buy all 5, but let's all cross our fingers that my Natalie Attired next month will be my first 5 for 5. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. Please subscribe if you haven't, and give this video a thumbs up. I feel like I've said that before, but I'm asking you again. You know what? I feel better. I already feel better. Just spending some time with you and getting a box full of clothes really does brighten my spirits. So thank you for joining me. And until we meet again, blessings to you.